Working at home businesses have become an interesting part of many people's lives. Many businesses have actually been started from home and run from home. This is a reason for many people to prefer working at home to going to their offices. The opportunities realized from home are immensely attributed to the advent of technology that has surely shaped the world's operations and its economy. Many people are even hopeless in finding any job soon. But with a clear focus on opportunities presented from home, it is possible to find very lucrative business opportunities that can actually be run from home. There are reasonable or many reasons for one to choose home businesses. Working at home businesses are beneficial for many people who lack jobs and even for those not comfortable in the current positions. There are many advantages of these businesses. They are flexible since you can practically live and work without having to travel on the busy highways as some jobs demand. They are also simple and cost-effective. You don't need more than your skills and maybe a computer or some other equipment to start the business. The fact that you can earn extra cash or even comfortable amount of money from home businesses is an amazing reason you should consider these jobs as rewarding. Depending on the kind of venture you enter into, the benefits will undoubtedly outdo the risks. Before settling for the working at home businesses, it is imperative to gather enough information from research and other sources relevant to the topic. Many people fail in home-based businesses because they cannot identify the real opportunities to go for. There are scams and fake opportunities that have hit the online businesses, for instance. Online workers must take care before choosing to work or undertake their businesses online. Even for other people who may start their businesses at home, it is imperative to find a relevant niche which will precisely help you achieve greater goals. The risks might as well bring your business down in a day if not properly managed. Working at home businesses are one of the safest and convenient jobs available for many people. There are no risks involved in setting up the business and working at home. It's convenient and wonderful for many people. Determined home business operators can certainly enjoy the fruits of identifying a niche and closing it up with relevant ideas. There are many opportunities that can concisely succeed from home that one must consider. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and do not forget to subscribe our channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.